Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. And in this video, I am going to make bacon cheddar waffles. Start by cooking the bacon. I have a larger cast iron skillet on the camping stove, and it doesn't have a very good seasoning, so we're going to show it some love by cooking a whole package of bacon on it. While the bacon is frying up, we'll go ahead and get started making the waffle batter. I have 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll whisk all of that together, then we'll add our wet ingredients. We need 3 eggs, a half cup of vegetable oil, and 2 cups milk. You'll notice I only have 2 eggs, but that's all I had in the refrigerator this morning. What I've told you is the full recipe, and the full recipe is also in the video description. So go ahead and click on that video description to see that if you need it for a future reference. Okay. Never get to keep a whole batch of bacon, do you? I appear to be losing some of my bacon to pickers. Me and other people picking away at it. I'll finish cooking up the rest of it. Okay, I added cheddar cheese to the mix. I'm going to keep adding the bacon as I cook it. We'll make it real bacony. Okay, the waffle iron is preheated. Yeah. That's going. Alright. That was the side that I just heated, so I'm going to give it a flip so that side's not too hot. Alright. Spray it down with some cooking spray. Put a half cup to 2/3 cup of the batter on here. Okay. Alright, we'll let that go for 2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna flip that and let it go another 2 minutes. Okay, it's cooked 2 minutes on each side. Let's see how it's doing. If it needs to cook 3 minutes on each side. Oh no, that's a good looking waffle right there. Thank you. So there they are, bacon cheddar waffles. You can have it in the morning with a Bloody Mary. I mean, it is a really good savory waffle. Gonna do some buffalo burger on the cheddar bacon waffle. Toasting up the waffles. Trying to get them to crisp just a little bit. Look at my burger. It is a buffalo burger with, I think it has Munster and Colby Jack, and on a cheddar bacon waffle. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing.